Hey guys, I recently discovered poppy clips, and these things are little, sorry, don't mind Liam in the background. These things are little magnetic, elastic pieces. The lighting is really elastic pieces that you could use to just change the way your shirt is. So like if you want to make this like that, or you want to like take this shirt, pull it up here and clip it, not clip, but so you can do like that, and then you can make your shirts look fun. So I was discovering this on Pinterest and I wanted to show you. Okay, so this is all the stuff. Let me see if I can show you. This is all the stuff that you need. We have the fabric tack, the fold over elastic. You can't really see that. I'll do this. Fold over elastic. Sorry, it's backwards. Which is the same stuff that those hair ties come in. And then glue dots. And make sure that the glue dots are the same size or a little bit smaller than your magnets. You need magnets. I already opened this, but this is what I used, and I would have used a, so let me read this to you. 0.47 inches or 12 millimeters. This was a 6-piece round magnet set. Anyway, so these were the little magnets. And then E6000. This stuff is to put on an embellishment. So I will do that in a minute. So it is really easy. You go ahead and you cut in a minute. You can go get your own scissors. You just cut, they said about 6 inches, so I don't know, roughly like that. Let's see. So I just measured it like this, if you can see that. All right, and if you're making 2, you can make them like the same size. So then what you're gonna do is you will put a magnet. Oh, first off, make sure your magnets are together. So you can see that they're together. And then put a glue dot. Putting a glue dot on there. Okay, so I got my glue dot on there. And then usually I would be putting this down on the table, but I'm showing you guys. So we have the fold over elastic, and I'm just going to, let's see if I can change, there we go. Put it not all the way to the end, and make sure that it's centered as best you can so that you have a little bit of, you want more edging. That's why I want smaller magnets. And I think I want stronger magnets next time too. But anyway, so you want more so that you can close it in. See if you can see on this one. You can see that. You don't want anything showing. So it took me a little while to get these to pinch right there so that it's all closed in. All right, so you got a glue dot. I put a glue dot on there, and now I'm gonna put a glue dot on the other side. It's gonna be a little bit tricky. Why this is, there we go. Okay, so then I'm going to, actually just for making it easier, I'm going to put it right here. All right, and then I'm very carefully taking my magnets apart, so that way I know that they're going the right way. All right, so now I'm going to put the fabric tack. This is a little bit pricey, but they said it's the only thing that's gonna stick. I did take up like this and something else at Joann Fabric, and I was like, do you, like, this one's $1 cheaper, which one do you, like, is that okay if I get this one? She's like, no, get fabric tack. It's gonna hold. So, here we go. I would put this down on, wax paper, but for you guys, I'm gonna show you. So I'm just putting the glue right around here. Can you see? And here, and here, and here. Okay, I don't need like a ton. And then so here it is. I put the glue all around and I just fold it over. And you wanted to make sure that there was a little bit of an edge here so that you can get that down over the magnet, and then squeeze. See here, you want to be able to squeeze that. See if you can see the magnet. That's what I was talking about earlier. So you want to really pinch that and get the glue around it. So sometimes it might take a little bit of extra, like you pinch it for a little bit, might take a little bit of extra fabric glue to get in there if you have, if you don't have enough fabric to go over your magnets as well as like mine. I don't. Okay, so you get the point. I'll show you that. And then you just do it again on the other side. Glue here, around. And really this is all it takes. This is super easy. Fold it over. So you have the glue on. Fold it over. And then pinch that magnet to get it really glued in there. And then once you get it all squared away, then you have, like, wait for it to dry. I just dropped one. Wait for it to dry, but then this is what you have. And it just sticks together. And then you can add little embellishments. So I have some, from my grandmother, I have these little, she had like a whole button collection, and I had these little jewels that I want to add on. And so I'm gonna add that. You only need it on one side, but I'm gonna add it like that with the E6000 glue, because they say that this stuff is what will make this really stick and stay. So I can put that on later. So there you go. Have fun dressing up your outfits.